Hello guys, welcome back. Today is day 4 of my 7-day challenge on this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can check if someone else have access to your YouTube channel without you knowing. Now, many of us created our YouTube channel or our Google account some years back, and when we were creating them, we never, considered security as part of the measures we need to put into factor. Now, something happened recently, and someone was, sharing his ordeal, how his earnings were stolen from his YouTube channel. So I'm going to read the message shortly. But one thing you need to understand is that someone might have access to your YouTube channel without you knowing, and probably waiting for the right time to take over or strike. You get the point. So let me just quickly read the message this content creator shared with me. So this is the message. It reads, "I'm a content creator. To cut the story short, my YouTube channel has been monetized on 4th of this month, and so far it has gotten more than $400. The problem is that I never knew how to monetize it, so someone else helped me to monetize it and put his AdSense account. After telling me to make him an owner in my channel, now he has blocked me and I can't change the AdSense, and the whole money I have earned will be sent to him. How do I stop this, sir? I am from Enugu, Nigeria." So my reply was this: I don't think there's any way you can stop this. You can contact YouTube, but I don't think it is possible, being the fact that you have been removed from the channel. So this is a sad one for this content creator. So in this video, I will show you how you can check if you are the only one that have access to your YouTube channel. Like those of us that are not tech savvy, some of your tech savvy colleague or family member or whoever that is assisting you can easily, take advantage of this. So for you to be sure that you are the only one that have access to your YouTube channel, now you go to your settings in your YouTube studio. So if you want to do it on your phone, just open your browser and type studio.youtube.com, and when you click enter, it will open your YouTube studio. So now when it opens your YouTube studio, the next thing you are going to do is to go to settings. Then under settings, you go to permission. So here at the permission, you click manage permission. When you click it, then it will take you to this page. Then you click on manage permission again. So it might require you to sign in and do some other stuff. So you have to sign in so that it will authenticate that you are the one that owns the YouTube channel. So then you click manage permission again. So here you can see that in this YouTube channel, we have 2 owners. So we have the primary owner, and the second person is the ordinary owner. So one thing you need to understand, probably you might be the primary owner, but if someone have access to your YouTube channel, you will see the person's name under your own, or you see the person's name among this list. And the easiest way for this person to hijack this channel, like if this second person wants to take over this channel, all he needs to do is to change his ownership to primary owner, and then he will take over the channel. Maybe after some days, the channel will automatically be his own, and the person can easily delete you or remove you from your channel. So what you need to do now, when you log into your YouTube channel and you go to this manage permissions, and you discover that you have another name that you are not aware of, or you didn't authorize someone to have access to your YouTube channel, what you need to do is just remove the person by clicking this X. So when you click this X and click remove, the person's account or the person will be removed from your YouTube channel. So this is very, very important. Just like what this person has said, just because he made the person an owner, the person changed his YouTube channel and blocked him, and now the first earning he earned, this month, he just got monetized on the 4th of this month, he's not going to get it. So I'm still working with the creator to know if there's any way he can resolve this issue. So this is very, very important. Just go right now, go to your YouTube Studio on a browser. You can't access this on your YouTube Studio mobile app. You have to open it in a browser. Then you just go to settings, permission, and then check if your name or your account is not the only one there, and you are sure that you never gave someone permission to your YouTube channel. Just delete or remove that person's name immediately. So I hope this was helpful, and if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget that I'll be going live this weekend and it will be an open mic. We're going to discuss a lot, from monetization, 4,000 watch time hours, and the 1,000 subscriber count, and everything in between. In short, we'll be talking about YouTube in general, and you can also join in to share your YouTube experience. What are your challenges? What do you think other YouTubers, if you have some things you need to share with the community? So I'll be going live this weekend. I'll be sharing the date in the community so that you guys will be prepared. So as usual, if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video. Someone might need this information. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.